Good morning, students. This is assignment number 2 for class 10th maths to prepare your exams. So here is 3 marks questions from chapter number 2, banking. Banking you already know. In my previous videos I explained why we use banking, why we used and what is the purpose of it. If you visit to my previous video, it will be more clear. So here when we will deposit some money in the bank, that money is called principal. Or here monthly deposit is also there. Sometimes schemes are there, and in your book special RD account is there. So for RD accounts we will have to deposit our money month-wise. So here first question is that the majority value of recurring deposit account means RD account is 11,364 in 4 years if the monthly deposit is rupees 200. 200 is the monthly deposit. So P is 200. Then find the rate of interest. You will have to find the rate. Then majority value is given here 11,364 and time is given. Find time here 4 years, change into months. 4 multiplied by 12 is equal to 48 months. So majority value we have formula. In every questions we will have to apply this formula only. Majority value is equal to P multiplied by N. P is principal, N is number of months, plus then P multiplied by N into N plus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 12 multiply R by 100. So this one is the your amount deposit. For example, you are depositing 200 rupees for 11 months, then this money is deposited by yourself in the bank, and this term is referred to interest. Means on this amount bank will pay interest. So P is your value which you deposit in the bank, N is number of month, this one is simple interest. So in every question this formula will be applied. So all the questions are based on it. So here majority value is 11,364, 200 multiplied by 8, then P value is 200, N is 48, here N plus 1, 48 plus 1, then divided by 2 multiplied by 12. R will be as it is because we have to find the rate of interest. So R upon 100. So this term will be as it is. 48 multiplied by 200 will give us 9600. Then 48 cancel with 12, 4 will come here, then cancel again this 4 with 2 will come here. So 2 multiply by then 49 will then R will also come here. So here 11,364 minus 96, then this 2 will also come here. 1 2 was left. So after multiplying we will get 196. So after subtraction we will get 1764, then divide by 196, it will give us 9. So 9% is the answer. So students, here also similar questions are given, like Mohit started paying rupees 800 per month in a 6-year recurring deposit. So here your monthly installment is 800 and time period n is 6 multiplied by 12 will give us 72. So in which he deposit rupees 1500 per month. If the bank pays 10% annum simple interest in both deposit, means separately he is depositing 800 for 6 year, and for 2 year he is depositing 1500. So for first RD you will have to find the majority value. Then for second RD take P 1500 and n is equal to 2 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 2. So apply this, then which will give us the higher value, you will have to check. So second RD will give us the highest payment and subtract it. Here you will have to write it is clear from the second RD, it will give the more benefit by 11,580 rupees. So I think concept is clear to you. Other questions try by yourself in your rough notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.